Hello students, welcome back. Today we are starting a new chapter which is called journal or the original book of entry. Every transaction which occurs in a business has to be recorded firstly into the vouchers and then through the first book, that is journal. So to make journal we need to understand the format of journal. That is, you have to divide the full page into 5 columns, particular namely date, where we will write the date, then particulars, in which we will write the details, then ledger folio, that's the page number of ledger which we'll use in later on, then amount debit and amount credit. So this is the basic format of journal account, journal entries when we have to do it. The question one states you have to prepare the transactions, you have to record the following transactions in the journal of C.R. Raman. Now the very first thing that we need to remember are the golden rules. That in real account what comes in debit, what goes out credit. In personal account, receiver debit, giver credit. In normal account, expenses debit and incomes credit. That basic rule is going to be used here. The first point is C.R. Raman started business with cash. That means cash is coming into the business by C.R. Raman by the owner's side. Then purchase goods for cash, goods are coming in, that purchases are there, there's an expense and you have to pay cash. Purchase goods from Subhash, you have purchasing goods on credit. Then purchase furniture for cash, furniture is coming into the business and cash is going out. Paid cash to Subhash, you are paying cash to Subhash, that means Subhash is receiving cash, whereas cash is going out of the business. Purchase goods from Ravi for cash, you have purchased goods but it is on cash. Then we are purchasing goods on credit. Then bought machinery for cash and paid rent. So these are the basic journal entries, basic transaction that happens in a business. How we'll record it? It will look something like this. For the first entry, that states that business started with cash. So cash is coming into business, so cash account debit, and it is given by the owner. So capital will be credit. We will write it as cash account debit 50,000 rupees to capital account 50,000 rupees. And the detail will be given in narration that cash brought into business by C.R. Raman as capital. This narration gives the detail about what transaction is happening over above. The second point was purchase goods for cash. Purchase is an expense. Being a nominal account, any expense will be debited. And cash is going out of the business, so it being a real account, what goes out will be credited. So purchase account debit to cash account 20,000 rupees. The narration will be goods purchased for cash. The next point is goods purchased from Subhash on credit. Expenses there, purchases are there, expenses there, that will be debited, but the cash is not going out of the business, rather it is Subhash who is giving the goods. Purchase will be debited but Subhash will be credited. So entry will be purchases account debit to Subhash. The next point is furniture purchased on cash. You are purchasing furniture, furniture is coming into the business, furniture account debit, and cash is going out. So cash will be credited. Entry will be furniture account debit to cash account. Next is Subhash ko cash pay kiya. Subhash is the one receiving. Receiver will be debited and cash is going out of the business, so cash will be credited. So the entry will be Subhash debit to cash account. Next, goods purchased for cash. You have purchased goods for cash. Purchase being an expense. Purchase account will be debited and cash is going out, so cash will be credited. So entry will be purchase account debit to cash account. Narration, goods purchased for cash. Then purchase goods from Ravi on credit. Goods are coming into the business. Purchase being an expense will be debited. Purchase account debit. And the Ravi is the one giving the goods. So Ravi will be credited. Entry will be purchase account debit to Ravi. Next is machinery purchase for cash. Machinery आ रही है and cash is going out of the business. What comes in debit? So machinery account will be debited and cash is going out, so it will be credited. The entry will be machinery account debit to cash account. What comes in debit, what goes out credit. The last point being rent paid. Rent being a nominal account, being an expense, will be debited, and as cash is going out, cash will be credited. So the entry will be rent account debit to cash account. So the overall transactions will be recorded like this.
with proper narrations, the amount, debit amount on the debit columns, credit on the credit column, and then at the end we will do the total. So total will be equal as the amount on the debit side is actually equal to the amount on the credit side. And this is how we will record transaction into the journal or the original books of entry. In the next video, we will discuss further more transactions that are related to journal entries. Till then, take care and have a great day.